came here at the invitation of this institution, which is graduating diploma courses and certificate courses. It has been my pleasure to officiate in this graduation ceremony. The question I've been asked is about what is happening in the country, the state of the affairs. You have seen members, the deputy president and other ministers going around distributing money in the form of empowerment. Some of them have even gone to State House that they are going to, and have received money there. What nobody has told you is where this money is coming from. The simple fact is that this is money which has been taken from public coffers, and it is being given to the public as though it is donations from the president and his government. This is your money, which has been stolen from you, and it is bribery in advance of the 27 elections. And that should not be in doubt at all. Because as I've said, there is no budget line where that money has come from, and that's what is creating all the problems. Go around to education. Money has been taken from government, which is supposed to be directed to various ministries and departments to serve the purpose it is supposed to be served. Now there is no money to pay teachers. The university dons have given notice, I don't know when it is expiring, and they are downing their tools. What does that tell you? You have money to bribe, you have no money to pay university dons. And what is happening? The students are not in class. That is the kind of management we are in. And that's why we are saying, look, this government has lost it completely. And what needs to be done is when 2027 comes, Kenyans should drive them out of office and hand over the administration to people who can manage the affairs of the nation. As you very well know, campaigns have not started. What I'm doing at the moment is going around in counties, in various counties, in town hall meeting stakeholders to know their views. You know, to come up with a manifesto, you must have knowledge of what the people want. So we are going around, like next week I will be in Mombasa, meeting various groups of people, various professionals, and get their views and the challenges they are going through that they would want me to address when I become president of this country.